What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So throughout my live stream, people have asked me, and they're always asking me, like how much you need of a certain amount of a certain position in order to become a millionaire. That's always the question, right? How much do you need of Shiba Inu to become a millionaire? How much do you need of Terra Luna Class to become a millionaire? How much do you need of Dogecoin to become a millionaire? Which that obviously has been answered. But honestly, if I had to give my opinion, it all depends on what you plan to do with what you're holding. Because as you see a certain amount, yeah, you can wait it out and have diamond hands forever and then find a way to get to that point. But if you see $500,000, let's say you have only invested $1,000 and it turns to 500 of those $1,000, and you now have the ability to change your life, pay off your loans, pay off your house, pay off your cars, do whatever you need to do in order to improve your living situation and not have to pay so many bills, most people would take that. So it all depends on what your situation is and how mentally strong you are, how mentally prepared you are, your selling strategy, all of these different things. But if you're talking about guaranteeing yourself to become a millionaire, that's where you start to get into the higher figures and what you have to have invested. It's not what you probably want to hear, where it's like, hey, you only need 5,000 XRP in order to become a millionaire, or you only need this much of this to become a millionaire, right? You hear it and you're like, well, I can't get that much, right? That's where the expectation actually is. So let's talk about that. How much XRP you are going to need to become a millionaire, guaranteed, as well as the vision or the path that I see, and also maybe some potential paths as you have a lower amount. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Patreon and follow me on Twitter, those links are in the description. Don't forget about Margex. If you guys want to start trading maybe XRP on leverage, if you want to do it that way and you have a great strategy, technically you could probably become a millionaire for less money, but it will be very difficult if you don't have a strategy going into it and you expect the world. So make sure you know what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, test out the markets, test the waters, trade with a dollar at whatever leverage you want to trade to understand what you would have to do in order to make so much money within leverage trading. So check out my Margex link down below and get started. And you can start trading with a dollar or $10, a very low amount if you want to. But anyways, let's talk about XRP in this video. Currently, XRP is at a value of 51 cents. It's at 51.4 cents. It's at a $27.9 billion market cap. And you're also seeing about $1 billion worth of volume. Now, one thing you have to factor into this when we go through exit strategies or, understanding how much you need to become a millionaire, you have to understand what the circulating supply is and how much could potentially be added. This doesn't mean that all of it will be added, because you could see a burn of escrow. You could see that, but you might not see it. But you need to understand if it does happen, right? Because you have 54% of the supply that's out there, 54 billion. And a lot of people like to think that that is the number that we will stay at. But that's not 100% true, right? We're adding every single month, they add a billion. So next month, it'll be at 55 billion, right? Right now, it's at 54.34% or 54.34 billion. And you see that you have 100 billion in supply overall, meaning that the fully diluted market cap at the moment would be a $51.4 billion market cap, right? And that's at the 51.4 cent price. So with that being said, that's how you really understand how you break kind of everything down. But let's first, before we get into my perspective, let's get into a breakdown over here. That was an article where how much XRP you need to become a millionaire. So to calculate the amount of XRP you need to buy to become a millionaire, when the price returns to its all-time highs of $3.40, you can use the following formula: XRP quantity, or XRP quantity equals target amount divided by expected future price. Basically, you would have the target amount of $1 and expected future price minus the 340, right? So basically, you're saying, thus, seeing around a $1 million or $1 million in your account, you need to purchase 294,117 117 XRP. So 294,117 XRP that you would need to hold and round up to 118. That's how much you would need to hold in order to become a millionaire by their expectations. Basically, seeing this jump at a certain level, you would need to see that much that you are holding, which would be worth approximately $150,000. Now, it all depends. The current price is 51 cents. So yeah, it is breaking that down the right way. $150,000 that you would need to hold in order to make, $1 million from it. That's crazy, right? That's probably not the number you wanted to hear. $150,000. I think I said million, but $150,000 that you need to hold in order to get to $1 million in XRP at the end. So that's kind of the guaranteed level, right? Because you believe it's going to get back to all-time highs. I believe it's going to get a lot higher than that. But if you're guaranteed to get back to all-time highs, then you are guaranteed to see $1 million with $150,000 that is put in there. However, I believe XRP will go a lot further, but if you wanted to even look at where my minimums are, you still need to see a significant amount in what you are holding there. Not as much as this, but you do need to see a significant amount. So if I go into my spreadsheet, my exit plan spreadsheet, you're going to see here that you need to hold, right? Because my price that I believe this is going to get to at like a guaranteed level is a $20 price point. That $20 price point means that you need to hold 50,000 XRP in order to guarantee yourself to see $1 million or have that potential to see $1 million. Now, does this mean that you will guarantee to get there? You're guaranteed the opportunity, but it depends on what you do with the situation, what you do with the position, and whether you actually get there. That's kind of the, as you break it down, that's how you need to look at this overall thing. No matter what the guaranteed amount is, you still need to make those moves and hold on to it until it gets to those points in order to see that guaranteed level. Now, the reason why I say $20 is because with everything diluted, that gives it a $2 trillion market cap. Now, without everything diluted and we see the 1 billion that's added, but the thing runs before 46 months happens and you're not seeing everything diluted, you may end up seeing this at a $2 trillion market cap, but it's at a $40 price point. So that would be fantastic for you and fantastic for a lot of other people. However, it's not guaranteed that that will happen that way. So this is my breakdown in what I kind of guarantee as that millionaire level, which would be a $20 price point. So you need to hold 50,000 coins in order to get to that point. Now, that's only if you're holding all of it. Now, there's also the levels to where it can go a lot further than that, of $100, where it can get to a $5 billion market cap or $1 trillion market cap. And I think I was saying billion, but it's a trillion, 1 trillion, 2 trillion, $5 trillion market cap or a $10 trillion market cap. That's where you see $100 worth of that level. And then you probably will need to hold a little bit less. My level that I brought up before, if you are looking at the more extended levels, was actually 17,256 that you needed to hold in order to become an XRP millionaire, have the opportunity to become an XRP millionaire. I currently hold 17,444, and I'm living with that, and I want to see if this all works out to be, where I could become an XRP millionaire from that. However, I'm not banking on it. So this is my breakdown. This is their breakdown. Let me know your breakdown and what you believe is going to be the case. But there's so much more room that this can go when you're not factoring in market cap and you factor in where this can go based on use case and based on becoming the true world currency. Honestly, it could go like the sky's the limit, really. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to, check out Margex and start trading on Margex, feel free to do that. The link is in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.